Okay, welcome back guys. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Global Gift TV. Yes, last week I did a video about this platform called DMATRX. Okay, I said I did details about this platform, but today I'll be placing a withdrawal in this platform to see how the platform pays or not. Okay, let's get started guys. Coming to my withdrawal here. Okay, I put my withdrawal pin here. I put the amount I want to withdraw. Okay, I've copied the balance before. Okay, I click on confirm. Okay, withdraw succeed. Okay, let's wait for the payment. Okay, let's wait for the payment and let's see. I have 0. I have 406 TRX in my plan balance, but now the payment has arrived. Okay, the payment has arrived in my wallet. Okay, it has increased. That means the payment has successfully entered my account. Okay, see, I've entered my balance. That means the payment is fast. Okay, doesn't take up to 2 minutes. Let's say it takes at least 1 minute for it to enter. Okay, this platform is paying and it is legit. Okay, for the new members who don't know about this platform, I'm going to explain details in this platform. But before I get started, in this video I'll be doing end of this video I'm doing a giveaway in this video. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and drop a nice comment in this video description, and make sure you also join my Telegram group in this description below. That being said, you can participate in my giveaway. I'll be giving out 10 TRX to only 10 people. We're giving out 10 TRX, that is at least 100 TRX I'm giving out to people that comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started guys. It's about this platform. This platform pays you 10% daily. It pays you 10% to 40% daily. You can read about the platform DMATRX. This platform is a trading that trade TRX. Okay, TRON pays and trade TRX. TRON pays you TRX and also trade TRX. The first one, which is the recharge, the 5. The more recharge is 5 TRX. From 5 TRX to 33,000 TRX, they earn 10% every day. 10% every day. So the 40% daily, which is 100,000 TRX. And the commission of this platform is they pays you, if you have a team, you'll be earning at least 17% on the third level. Okay, you're earning 17% on the third level, which you can share your referral links to your friends. You can share it to your friends. Okay guys, here I come to here to deposit. You just have to come here. You see deposit here, copy the address. You can deposit either USDT or TRX. After that, you just click on this recharge complete. Click on this recharge complete. You copy it. After that, it will reflect into your account. You can also set your withdrawal pin. You can modify your withdrawal pin here. You see it here. You can also change your withdrawal pin and everything. You can change everything there. Okay, you can copy your referral links and share it to your friends to also participate in this platform. Okay, if you learn something new in this video, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel